Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to create QR code for your Instagram post. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. By following this process, you can create QR code for any of Instagram post. First, you have to search the post you want to create QR code for. Then all you have to do is tap on the three dots of the post and copy the link. Now open the Google Play Store and search for QR Code Generator app. You can create QR code for free on this app, so download it and open it right now. This is the interface of the app. Now at the top of the screen you will see text. Tap on that. Now tap on URL. Now remove everything and paste the link here. You can also give a title if you want to. When you are done, tap Generate and your QR code will be created. And that's how you can create QR code for any of the Instagram post or even your profile. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.